Whoa, Wade and Choco here. We are on the shorelines, frozen shorelines of Lake Ontario. Yeah, the Canadian side. Whoa, we just came down to take a look-see, eh, Choco? It's all frozen. That is actually the water underneath, because that's all frozen. That's not usually land there. Yeah, we're gonna go. It's pretty thick though. I'm thinking it's pretty safe. Pretty safe. So I'm just that's looking toward Niagara Falls there. So just so you all know where we are. Whoa! You got a little school of ducks there. Let's check it out, Choco. I'll just show you just over there. There's the big smoke, Toronto. I'll just zoom in a bit. Yeah, you can see that, right? CN Tower, Sky Dome, that's where they were playing the World Series. That's where they lost the World Series. Okay. Beautiful, eh, Choco? You see everything is just freezing over. What I'm walking on right now, you can see it's just very thick frozen ice. Amazing. You just taking it all in, Choco? You taking it all in? Whoa, it's pretty, huh? I know. It's a little bit scary too. Whoa. Well, you wanted to come down here. You kind of dragged me down today. So I was like, okay, let's go. It's actually a private area over there. Yeah, usually right where all that snow is, all that ice, that would be water. Okay, Choco, let's not get too brave.